Elon Musk said Apple cloth is a waste of money, buy $50 Tesla whistle instead. When Apple introduced a special polishing cloth for cleaning Apple devices in October, it caused some controversy. The Apple cloth has been the subject of numerous memes, jokes, and some more. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, had previously mocked the Apple cloth, and he has done so again. Musk urged his followers not to buy the Apple cloth in a tweet about Tesla's new product, a cyber whistle. "Don't waste your money on that silly Apple cloth, instead, buy our whistle," tweeted Tesla CEO Elon Musk. According to reports, the Apple cloth has been in high demand, with many countries reporting that it is sold out. Apple's polishing cloth is made of soft, non-abrasive material, but the company does not specify which material it is. The material, according to iFixit experts, is the same microfiber that lines the iPad Smart cover. Another point of comparison would be Microsoft's Alcantara keyboard covers, but slightly softer. Meanwhile, Tesla's cyber whistle costs a cool $50. According to Tesla's website, it is a limited edition cyber whistle is a premium collectible made from medical-grade stainless steel with a polished finish. For added versatility, the whistle has an integrated attachment feature. Musk tweeted about the polishing cloth a day after Apple unleashed, but it was just a rolling on the floor laughing emoji. This isn't the first time Elon Musk has trolled Apple over its cleaning cloth. From October, Tesla CEO and founder Elon Musk has mercilessly trolled Tim Cook on Twitter over Apple's new $19 cleaning cloth. Cook posted on Friday in celebration of Apple's new store in Istanbul stating, "Introducing Apple Bağdat Caddesi, our beautiful new store in Istanbul. We're glad to be a part of this vibrant community, and we can't wait to welcome customers to this spectacular new space." Musk replied to the tweet stating, "Come see the Apple cloth TM, much to the joy of the internet." Interestingly, the Tesla cyber whistle, like the Apple cloth, is currently out of stock on Tesla's website. The Apple polishing cloth on the Apple India online store shows a delivery time of 6 to 8 weeks in most locations. As is clear from the effects of the tweet, because the cyber whistle is already out of stock within a day of listing. If there's one thing we should all admire about Elon Musk, it's his ability to persuade people to part with their money. Tesla released the cyber whistle yesterday, a $50 whistle with the same angular lines as the company's upcoming Cybertruck. The cyber whistle is a premium collectible made of medical-grade stainless steel, according to the company. Unfortunately, the whistle sold out not long after Musk tweeted a link to the sale page, but there is hope that another round will be available at some point in the future. Alternatively, if you're in desperate need of one of these, pre-orders are being scalped for around $300. Elon Musk is already living in the future, and we have no way of predicting his sharp intelligence. Did you buy Apple cloth and now you're kicking yourself? Or are you thinking about purchasing a Tesla whistle? We are eagerly awaiting your response. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also hit subscribe for future updates.